I'm the whole view. I'm recording the place, Sierra. We need a 360. They don't want to just see one place. Turn too many times. You ain't even sassy bar. You gotta let them see. It's the ice cream shop. But you're not like this straight. Yes, I am. All right, move. Every time she walked the phone back. Okay, we heard whatever. Drop it. Okay, who's the kid side? We finna get in, baby. Hold on. I think this right here would be for Riley. For her head. Yeah, for her head. And then this will be for Rainy. I'm gonna scrape it on her. I'm gonna scrape it on her. Hold on, sis. Oh, Poo-Poo got one, yeah. Okay, this the one for Rainy. You don't need no fucking life jacket, bitch. What the fuck? Oh my god. I'm trying to figure out what the hell we. Babe, you can sit over here? Huh?
Why?
Cause Riley, yeah. I think Riley.
I'll sit with anybody who takes.
Oh shit! Oh hell no! Ready? Come on, car! Come on, car! Oh my god! Oh, it got on her face! Oh my god! Alice, come on! Come on, boo-boo! Oh no! Oh, come on! Hurry up, boo-boo! Come on! Oh, come on, boo! He can't go by himself because. Why he can't go by himself? I'm not putting my baby down that slide by himself. That big ass slide. Tuda, no. I'm gonna be at the end. Hell no, no. Take him on the other side. He not going down that slide, bro. Hell no. My baby not going down that slide, bro. He too little. He don't know how to drown, boy.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm talking about he don't know how to drown. He don't know how to swim. Hell fuck that.
So we can't slide down there with our head?
No. So I said, guess what? Their ass ain't going. Because I'm not, This shit itchy? Yeah, Damn, babe, I think we supposed to go. Oh, never mind. I don't know how we supposed to get up this motherfucker, but we finna see. Excuse me, are the stairs this way? Yeah. Okay, thank you. I'm just trying to make sure, babe, because they going up there. Oh. Be tough on this slide. Be tough on this slide, nigga. Get this two-way. Wait a damn minute. Hold on. Wait a minute, hold on. Where's the rest of the slide? Is they bringing theirs back? He's so